To use action icon feature to solve a question on your handwritten note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the action icon option on the Note app is on. To do so, open Samsung Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen. Under Advanced section, tap the gray on offset next to action icons until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key. Open your handwritten note where the equation you like to solve are on. Remove your S Pen. Tap the reading mode icon at the top of the note to view the note in read-only mode. Hover your S Pen above the equation, and then tap the calculator icon to directly solve the equation with the calculator. Tap the back key. Turn off reading mode and then draw the result. You can repeat the step to solve other equation. As note, this feature is limited to solve simple equation only, such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.